guys, how's it going? So yeah, I got some questions about this shifter knob, from what model it is and how I installed it in this car. So just for the purpose of this video, I installed an old beaten up shifter knob, which I will then replace for this one. This shifter knob is from an Audi A5, but it's actually not the correct one for this car because it has 6 gears on it and my car only has 5. But I got it for free because of this little scratch on top of the shifter knob. I believe the Audi A1 has the same shifter knob but then with 5 gears, so that would be the correct one for this car, but it's quite expensive, so be prepared. But with no further ado, let's go! Hey guys, for the ones that haven't seen my last video, I quickly wanted to say one last thing. Currently I'm in the last year of my study, so I'm quite busy with that right now. But when I graduate, I'm planning on uploading much more videos and really start growing the channel. So if you want to be a part of the family, hit that subscribe button down there somewhere, maybe. You know what to do, come on. Goodbye.